Hey, Yvonne from Colorado here with part 2 of how to install your Aweber form on your This Is Not MLM website. So here we are inside of my Aweber account, and I've created a new list, and I'm just kind of going to walk you through some things. Some of this stuff is already covered in Vic's Aweber training and how to get you set up. And I'm doing Aweber because I'm a 100% fan of Aweber. I don't know how to really install any other autoresponder, so I apologize for those of you that may be using GetResponse or GVO or some other autoresponder. I only know how to do Aweber, so that's what I'm going to train you on today. So for those of you who don't have Aweber, you can actually pick it up for just $1 for the first 30 days, and I believe it's $19 after that. So let's just go into how to install this. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to see that you created a list and it gave you a default name. You want to change that. Change that to something else. Let me just call this Not MLM Model. Let's go with that. And then your first name is already filled in from your when you created your account, and then your contact address is actually already filled in as well. You're going to scroll down here first and foremost. You want to turn on your notifications because you want to make sure that you're getting notified when someone chooses to join you in This Is Not MLM. When they raise their hand and opt into your form, you want to get notices. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and type in my name, and I'm going to put in my email address. This is not already filled out for you, so please make sure that you do it and just click on Add, okay? And from there, it's been successfully added. You can go ahead and hit Save Settings, and then we're going to scroll back up, and we're going to go to Confirmed Opt-in. I'm sorry, but I'm someone who does not like when someone has to confirm their opt-in and be a double opt-in. Since Aweber gives us the option to turn that feature off, you're literally just going to scroll down, turn that off, okay? Turn it off, say, yes, I want to turn that off, and then scroll down and hit Save Settings, all right? And then the next part of setting up Aweber, now that you've done that, is you're going to scroll back up and you're going to go here. We're going to add a message later. I'm actually going to do that in another video just to show you how to upload a message, and I'm going to give you the exact copy of the message that I'm using that goes out when someone opts in. But for now, this video is mainly just to create a web form, and I don't want it to be too long. So let's go on in here, click on Web Forms, and let's create a new web form, okay? This is pretty easy, but there's some things that some of you guys may not know, so I want to show it to you. So you've come in here and you see this basic form. We're going to make some changes. You're going to X this out, and down here you're going to remove that. You're going to remove the footer, okay? So this is what you're working with, and this is what the other site looked like, but I wanted to show you how to make it a little bit better. So first and foremost, there's some buttons right here that you want to be aware of. Let's go ahead right now, and on the body, we are going to turn the background off and say no color. And now that you can see these check marks, you can see that that is a transparent background, okay? Also, I'm going to remove this part as well, the we respect your email privacy, because we already have a privacy link. So this is what you're working it right now. You can come in here and change the labels. And what that is being able to change the font style. So right now it's set at Verdana. If I'm pronouncing that right, I'm sorry. Verdania, not sure. But you can bold it. We can come in here and make this a little bit bigger. Pick size 14. You can actually change the inputs, where you can come in here and change this to, you can add name, put full name if you want to. I like to come in here and change this to, instead of just saying email, I want to put your best email, or let's just say enter your best email, okay, and then hit save. So now you see that we've changed that. And then the other thing I like to do, let me go back to, I believe, the body type, the border. There's a border around this, and I like to take it off and put no border whatsoever. So change that to none, okay? And then you're going to go to your advanced settings. Sorry, I want to do, okay, then you're going to go to your inputs, your labels actually. And on here, actually, I'm sorry, you're going to go to your inputs. And you're going to click on Advanced. And what you want to do, we're going to outline these borders. See how the border is a light gray? I like to change mine to red. So you're going to literally click on the border color and just choose red. Click on the red, and then just pick somewhere in here. Get it to a brighter red if you like, a deeper red. It's really up to you. Let's go for this red right here. Click OK. and then it'll let you do it again here. Let's click the same red again. Actually, that's not working. What? Okay, we're going to come in here and copy this. Right click on it and copy the color so that we can get it exact, and say OK. And then come back down here and click on the selected and paste that in there as well. Okay. And now you have a little kind of a redder border. Now what you want to do, the last part of this, is actually putting in the button image. So let's do submit button. So you're going to click on submit and you're going to hit edit. And actually you're going to click on advanced. Sorry about that. You're going to click on advanced and you're going to put in that button image. So you're going to go over to where I showed you where the button code is and just copy this. Or if you've uploaded it to your own server, which again I recommended that you do, you're just going to put in the link from your own server, from your own hosting account. But for now we're going to go ahead and use mine, and we're going to hit submit or hit enter. And that's not working, and I don't know why. Let me pause this, and there it is. I'll pause this and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we have the button in there, what you're going to want to do is stretch it out a little bit. You want to resize it so that it comes all the way down to the edge of the button. You've got the button code there. You want to make sure that that's all there. And pretty much that is it. You're going to save this web form, and let's save that there. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to step number 2. And this is where you're going to, you can name this. I just called it the web form that I'm in. That's to let you know that people have opted in. They want to be a part of it. And then here, you're going to actually put in the page that you want people to go to. So you're going to choose custom page, and you're going to go over to the admin fee page and copy that link and come back over and put it into here. You're going to highlight over the HTTP because you don't want it in there twice. But everyone should be sending people to the admin fee video. There's no point in going to a secondary page. The next step is for someone to pay their $21 fee. So you can literally scroll down here, and you don't need to open that in a new window because there's no point in opening a new window at all anyways. It's up to you if you want it in there to open in a new window or not. I actually removed that option. And then you're going to go to step 3. And step 3, let me save it first. Save it first, and then you can go to step 3 and then click on I will install the form. And you can choose either one of these codes. You can choose the short code, or you can choose the raw HTML code. Either way, you're going to right click and copy, and you're going to select all and copy this and put it in a notepad, because this is what you're going to go back and put into the index file when we're ready. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too confusing. See you in the next video so we can again finish putting it all together. Bye for now.